Hi, boys and girls. I'm here to teach your next math lesson. We are going to finish lesson 48 that we started yesterday. So the materials that you will need for today's lesson are your red math book, a sharpened pencil with an eraser. So have your materials ready. You will not need to open your book yet though, because we are going to do some problems here on the screen that I'm going to show you. And then I'll tell you when to open and turn to the page in your book, okay? So first, if you could look up here, you need to be focused, following along, and participating. The first thing I'm going to do is, these are takeaway problems. I'm going to have you read the takeaway problems. Let's read the first takeaway problem. And it says what? 9 take away 5 equals. Read the problem. Okay. Next problem. It says 10 take away 1 equals. Your turn. Good. And the last problem, 8 take away 6 equals. Your turn. Okay. So since these are takeaway problems, we are going to make lines for the number we start with. So let's practice with this first one here, okay? So it says 9 take away 5 equals. What is my starting number? 9. So 9 is the number that we make lines for. Help me count 9 lines and tell me when to stop. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I made 9 lines because that's my starting number. And you know what to do next, right? Since it's takeaway, we're going to take away 5 lines, right? So we're going to start here and we're going to cross out 5 lines. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 9 lines and I took away 5 lines. And the answer is the number that we end up with. So let's count how many lines here we end up with. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines do we end up with? 4. So I'm going to, next to the equal sign, I'm going to write 4. And let's read the whole problem together. Ready? 9 take away 5 equals 4. Okay? We're not going to work the other problems, but I'm just going to ask you to tell me which number we make lines for. So we have 10 minus 10 take away 1. Which number do we make lines for? The 10. And for the last one here, the 8 take away 6, which number do we make lines for? The 8. Okay? Next, I need you to open your book. You're going to get out your red book, and you are going to open to page, oh, I can't read that. Okay, so the page that you'll need open in your red book is page 63. So open your book and find page 63, lesson 48. It looks like this. I'll give you a minute to find it. Okay, and so you are on page 63, and I need you to touch the car on the top of page 63. And I'm going to read the problems for you. I want you to touch under the numbers under the symbols as I read them. Ready? Touch the screen. 17 plus 2 equals. Next, 1 plus 4 equals. And the last one, 13 plus 5 equals. Okay? All right. Now, for each problem, you'll make lines under one of these numbers. Let's go back to the front number here. Read that again. Yes, 17 plus 2. We are going to plus 2. So that means we are going to make lines for which number? The 2. Make 2 lines under the 2. And now you're going to get the first number going and count the lines, okay? So what number are we going to get going? 17. Get the 17 going and count the lines. Ready? Go. 17, 18, 19. Our answer is 19. So we can write 19 here. A 1 and a 9. Okay, going on to the next problem. Read the problem again. Yes, 1 plus 4 equals. So we are going to plus 4. So that means we're going to make how many lines? 4 lines. Make 4 lines under the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Get the other number going. What number are you going to get going? 1. Get the 1 going and count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many altogether? 5. So next to the equal sign, make a 5. Okay, going on to our last problem here. Read it for me one more time. 13 plus 5 equals. How many are we plussing here? Plus 5. So how many lines are we going to draw? 5 lines. Make 5 lines under the 5. Get the other number going. What number? 13. Get 13 going and count the lines. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many altogether? 18. Make 18 as your answer. 1, 8. So 13 plus 5 equals 8. Okay, boys and girls. Going on to the next part here. Touch the sailboat on your worksheet. For this part, we're going to do takeaway, okay? And you need to fill in the first number, the starting number. So in order to find out the number that you make, you need to count the lines. So count the lines on your worksheet and let me know when you are able, and write the number in the box. Go ahead and count and write the number in the box. I'm going to count myself. Okay, let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did everyone write 7 in the box? Good job. So 7 is our starting number. And what are we going to do now? Now that we figured out what the 7 is, now we need to take away 3. So go ahead, kids, start here with the last line and take away 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And how many lines do you end up with? These are the lines that you end up with right here. You end up with how many lines? 4 lines. So 4 is your answer. So you should have 7 take away 3 equals 4. Okay, next problem. Count the lines and make your number in the box. What number? 6. 6 is the number that you should write in the box. So we have 6, and how many are we going to take away? Take away 4. So let's start here, and let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what number do we end up with? We end up with 2. So you should write 2 as your answer. So you have 6, take away 4 equals 2 is what you should have. Okay? And next, go down to the snail. Okay? And I will tell you a word problem that pluses. You're going to write this, you're going to listen and write the symbols for the word problem. Okay? Listen to the problem. A pig ate 3 cookies. Then the pig ate 2 more cookies. Listen again. A pig ate 3 cookies. Then the pig ate 2 more cookies. Tell me all the numbers you write for that problem. Get ready. What was the first number? The pig ate 3 cookies. So the first symbol is 3. So 3 is your first symbol. And then since he ate more cookies, is that plus or take away? Plus. More means plus. So you have 3 plus, and what is the second number you write? Listen again. Then the pig ate 2 more cookies. So the next symbol is 2, and then you should write equals next to it, right? So all together, you should have 3 plus 2 equals. All right? And now you are going to work that problem. So you're going to make lines for one of those numbers, kids. Which number are you going to make lines for? Remember, it's 3 plus 2. You're going to plus 2. That means you're going to make 2 lines under the 2. 1, 2. Now get the first number going, get the 3 going, and count the lines. Ready? 3, 4, 5. How many altogether? 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, this next part here, you're going to do on your own after I'm done. After I'm done with my lesson, I want you to come back and finish this part on your own. So you're tracing and writing the tens. And then you're going to, what number is this? 4. You're going to practice writing the 4. And then what number is this? 19. You're going to practice writing the 19. And then down here, what are the numbers? 5 and 8. So you're going to practice tracing those numbers in just a minute. First, let me explain what you need to do on your independent work today. So for your independent work today, you'll see that for the heart section here, you start with lines, you take some away, or I'm sorry, they have some taken away for you. You write the number you end up with. So you count the lines that are not crossed out, and that's the number that you write, okay? So for this one, look, there are no lines that aren't crossed out. So if there's no lines, then that would be the number 0, right? What about this one? All of these are left, so you count all of the lines, right? This one, you count the lines you end up with, write the number. Count the lines you end up with, write the number, okay? So that's what you do for that part. When you get down to the teacup part, you make lines for the number. Each of these should have a number with lines under it. So for this one, it gives you the number, you make lines. For this one, it gives you the lines, you make the number, okay? For the frog section, you check to see if these sides are equal. So this is 1, 2, 3. Is that 3? No. So cross that out. That's not equal. Okay? So if it's not equal, you cross out the equal sign. If it is equal, you don't do anything. And for the bicycle section here, you make lines for the number. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed your lesson today. Go ahead and finish this on your own, and I'll see you next time. Bye.